Ambulance aid.
What the? Idiot. You're on the wrong.
Things are heavy there also. In Wigan, Central Park has a lane closed both ways.
Oh my God.
Finally, in Blackburn, you'll find temporary lights.
Allows people to properly feel safe and places are properly equipped to help deal with cardiac arrest.
you've not heard me play that, it's for the new Apple TV series Slow Horses. Also, you'll know that the Stones are going on tour. They're back on the road. Some shows in the UK. I think they're doing Hyde Park. You want to go down to London, and also they're doing Liverpool as well. Nothing in the Midlands, but you want to see the Stones, and who wouldn't want to see the Stones? Surely it's got to be on your list. More about that tour, more about the new track, more about life. Sir Mick Jagger joins Simon Mayo on Drive Time. Drive Time from 4. Of course, we've got a brand new album of the week this week, which is from Squeeze, and Confessions at 5:45. Drive Time is all from 4 till 7 today on Greatest Hits Radio. With a song next that was so good, it was Christmas #1 twice.
Greatest Hits Radio. Hey, where are you driving? A trip to the shops? Dropping the kids off? Maybe you're not driving at all. Well, my friend, either you don't own a car or you may be a lower mileage driver. You don't get a shiny badge or anything, but you could save money on your car insurance.
And a concern that our allies who rely on us for their defense will be unheard.
There's a paradox.
While you're away too. And second question, there's a wonderful photograph of you when you get home and you're holding Gabriella and your head is on Richard's shoulder. I don't know if you could tell me how you felt when that photo was taken.
It is surreal to be holding.
Looks much as it did that day, but Shackleton saw it in both his diary. I don't think I can write about it. He was so depressed.
The country has given more humanitarian assistance to Ukraine than the United Kingdom in the world. We've given 400 million.
So for normal people, though, it probably matters.
Yeah, and if you have kids.
And if you have kids, also don't have that. But again, that I know of. Again, this is why. This is why. Whenever we say when they're pumping money in the economy, hey, this is going to happen, and then it happens. But people on the left say, you're just horrible people. You want people to starve before, and all that's true for some people like you. You don't care if people starve and die before. It's not really the case.
New York and Washington, how police tracked him down, and important news about COVID vaccine boosters to share.
Sake.
Jenny Gray continues to stand by Butler.
I don't know what's happening. The city area, if you like. Kiev also has a wider region, like Greater London has. We're inside.
Right. Who here, I just want another show of hands, who's worried about their cost of living going up as a result of this crisis and the sanctions that we've
Quick and Salisbury Police, well done on them.
The thing is, I was going out with a 16-year-old.
Right, we're going to go and speak to the police.
And I was 17.
Yeah, really helpful.
Bye.